But you should definitely come. It's really cool. There's robots, you know, and you don't work with robots.
Okay, here, see this circle? Stand in this circle.
Yeah, program robots.
Nice microphone.
They're like these singing animals, the robots. You should have explained to him so he's not freaked out about it. They're these robots, but they look like singing animals. They're really cool. You gotta go check this out, man. You've never seen anything like it.
They don't work on the You don't see them work every day. Wait, are you ready to say this part? Oh, a Looney bird. Dude, Looney bird, that would be awesome for your voice. I'll do really love you. That would be awesome.
Jellyfish do like a marathon or a fast marathon.
Hell yeah.
Character I don't have, or is sitting here just watching Billy Bob. You know what I did? Ultimate one was to do.
But Julie, where are you going?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, short marathon. There's not that many.
Wait, where are you going? Oh.
Hey!
Yeah, she just went out there. Just filming the night away.
Two little monkeys jumping on a bed. Four fell off and knocked his head. Went to the bathroom, here's what he said. Come on, little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Did Carlisa back out?
I don't know, I just
Mike, do you have Buddy Holly?
The Buddy Holly model?